A very good day to everyone. Welcome to my video presentation of my final project. So my name is Jing. Today I would like to present about my poster and also my project system. So this is my poster. Next I would like to explain my content inside the poster with my slide. So next, this is the poster heading. So I'm 4th year student facing my final project in University to Malaysia, which is UTHM. So my project title is Automated Recycle Dustbin System with GSM module for waste management. So my name is Chia and my supervisor is Professor Madya Dr. Jamaludin bin Jalani, and I'm from the Department of JTKE, Faculty of Engineering Technology. So next will be the abstract of the project. Nowadays, waste management becoming an issue in society, and recyclable waste is easily ignored and neglected unless the waste is being sorted and recycled. So the invention of this project able to help in the sector of waste management and provide a clean and comfortable surrounding area to the user. It can sort the recyclable waste which are metal and paper. So microcontroller Arduino was the main controller for the project, which initialized the sensor to detect type of the waste and program the actuator to sort and show the result of the project system. An automated recycle dustbin system, which is ARDS, with recyclable waste is needed by the society and help in the waste management system because most of the waste has a high potential to be recycled, reused, and reduced, which is the method of the 3 Rs. So next will be the introduction of the project. So development of automated recycle dustbin system with GSM module for waste management will generate a systematic and regular system in waste management. It can be distinguish the paper and metallic waste, then sort them into the correct recycle dustbin. So from this project, it will show some recyclable waste has a high economical values to society and encourage the society with the mindset of 3 Rs. Then the objective of the project is able to develop a prototype of an automated recycle dustbin system involved with the GSM alerting module. So next will be the literature review of the project. So from this project, I have studied about 10 journal or article from the online resources. So I can conclude in the this chart. So I have studied 2 review from the RFID, and then having 2 review from the PLC, which is programmable logic controller, and 1 from the microcontroller Raspberry Pi, and 2 from the microcontroller Arduino, and 1 of the combination of the microcontroller Raspberry Pi and also Arduino. So having 1 literature review from PIC, and last one will be microcontroller 8051. So and then I will proceed to the methodology of the project. So for the methodology, I having block diagram, 3D design, and also wiring diagram inside my poster. And then for the overall project, I can separate it into 2 parts, which are sorting part and waste level detection and GSM module part. So next, I will present some block diagram and 3D design of my project. So this is the block diagram for the sorting part, and I having a 3D diagram for the sorting part, and this will be the exact picture that I construct with the hardware in my project system. Then this will be the block diagram for my waste level detection, and then this will be the 3D design for the level detection, and this will be the GSM module behind the collecting dustbin, and this will be the real pictures that I constructed in my hardware of the project. And then you can having some input and output from the sorting part and also the level detection. And from the 3D design, you can view and see the design is exactly same with the hardware constructed in my project system. And then next I will present about the wiring diagram for the project. And for sorting part, this will be the wiring diagram for the sorting system, and this will be the exact pictures that I connect the wiring diagram in my project system. And then this will be the waste level detection and GSM module wiring diagram. And then this will be the exact wiring diagram in the connection for the hardware system. And then next I will present some videos recorded. And then first will be the overall project with sorting part, waste level detection, and GSM module part. And then will be the sorting part with metal, paper, and wet waste. Last will be the waste level detection and GSM module part. So now I would like to share the videos So this will be the overall project system, and then I would like to explain part by part with the videos. So this will be the upper part, which is the sorting part, and the lower part will be the waste level detection and GSM module part. So I would like to play the videos, and then this will be the project system, and then I having three sensor, which is the orange part for the capacity sensor, and the blue one will be the inductive sensor, and the bottom one will be the range sensor, and I having an inclined slope to make the waste gather to the sensing module. And then I would like to play the videos, and this will be the two servo motor for the actuator, and I having the third servo motor at the bottom part to make the waste drop to the wet dustbin. And then next will be the circuit of the program. So this will be the connection behind the sorting system, and I having the power supply, and the connection is shown in the diagrams. And then next will be the LCD of the project system. This will show the output of the project system. So for the down system, it will be some uh, level detection and GSM module. So I having three units of the collecting dustbin, which is metal, red, and also paper. So I having one LCD at the front of the level detection system, and I having each of the collecting dustbin having three LED with red, yellow, and also green. So it will showing the status of the dustbin for each stimulation. So our ultrasonic sensor will be installed at the top of the collecting dustbin to stimulate the input to the microcontroller and program the output. So this will be the project system, and behind the screen I having the connection. This will be the two microcontroller that I use, which is Mega and also Uno. So this will be the GSM module, and I having a buzzer right here, and the buzzer will buzzing when the project is stimulated with the high waste level. So next we'll be showing the sorting process. So this will be the sorting process. I having 5 type of the metal waste, and 5 type of the paper waste, and 4 type of the wet waste. So now I would like to play the progress system. So the LCD will showing welcome to ARDS with GSM module. So ARDS will be the meaning of automated recycle dustbin system, which is my project title. So next I would like to play the videos. So I having one HL milk, which is the paper waste, and I put into sensing range. So the LCD will showing paper waste is recyclable and drop the waste into the correct collecting dustbin. So for aluminium waste, so the LCD will showing metal waste is recyclable and drop into the collecting dustbin again. So I try with another paper waste. So the result will showing same, and the servo motor will push the waste to the right collecting dustbin. So this will be the potato chips, which is represent as metallic waste, and the waste is again to drop into the correct collecting dustbin, which is metallic. Now I'm using wet handkerchief, and it's showing wet waste not recyclable. Now I try it with wet tissue, and I just drop the waste into the on the RAM sensor. It will showing output with wet waste not recyclable, and the servo motor will drop the waste to the collecting dustbin below the servo motor. And next we're showing some output from the Arduino IDE. So this will be the output system. So you can see that the water sensor having 816 result, and the coding I set as 890 rep, which means that when the stimulation is lower the threshold level that I set in the coding, so it will stimulate the output, which is the servo motor and also LCD. So this will be the sorting system of my projects, of my final project. Now I would like to show some the next stimulation with level sensor and also GSM module. So I having 2 laptop for the power supply, and having 3 collecting dustbin, and LCD will showing the status of the collecting dustbin. So each of the LED will showing the output with the status of the dustbin. So now I would like to show the connection. So this will be the connection having Uno, Mega, GSM, and also Basel. So now the GSM module is connected and insert with the SIM card. So now I would like to show how the signal of the GSM module. So I having one signal here, which is D6, and when I having signal, so the GSM module will blink every 3 seconds for one time. So the video will showing the GSM module having signal for 3 seconds blinking. Yeah. So now I would like to try the waves is entering the sensing range. So I put my hand close to the ultrasonic sensor. So the program will stimulate LED and also LCD for full, and the buzzer will buzzing, and then it will stimulate again for the GSM module, and the alert message will send to the user phone. So now I would like to show the Arduino IDE inside the program. So it will showing a signal and also the status, which is the metal waste with 4, and the other two will remain the initial state. So now the message will send to this phone number which I write in the coding, and the phone will receive message for the status of the collecting dustbin. So now the message is sent to the phone, and then it's showing metal waste is full, and wet waste and also the paper waste will remain the initial state. So now I would like to try with wet collecting dustbin. So I having same condition. I put my hand inside the sensing range. So I having the same output with the metal waste, and then it stimulated the output with LCD, LED, and also buzzer. And last will be the GSM module, and then it's same condition for the project system, and the metal and also paper waste will remain the initial state, while the wet waste will stimulate with 4 cm and stimulate some outputs of the project system. And now the phone will receive message for the wet waste. So you can see that the status with metal waste with 24 cm, wet waste with 4 cm, which need to clean immediately, and also the paper waste will stimulate with 25 initial state. So let's try with the paper collecting dustbin. And now my hand is entering the sensing module and stimulate the LED and also LCD. And now we buzzer the buzzer will buzzing, and the GSM module will stimulated with the message. So now it's same condition for initial state, and also the paper will showing 4 cm, and the message will send to the phone, and the phone will receive a alert message for further cleaning progress. Yeah, so here we're showing the status of the collecting dustbin. So from this project, I can conclude that most of the waste can be sorted, and also the progress is very smooth and successful to be developed. So now I would like to show some result and discussion from the project system. So this is showing 3 type of the waste that I use in my progress system. So the table will showing the one of the aluminum can is unable to drop into the waste, while the sensor can detect the type of the waste. It might be the problem with the weight of the waste. And now for the paper waste, I having normal paper and paper cut with and unstable state. It's because some dimension and also weight of the waste. So for the result of the wet waste, I showing the wet cardboard is less sensitive to the sensor and also the project system. This is because the content of the liquids is less. So the factor that I conclude is will affect the result with weight, dimension, and liquid content of the waste. So this will be the overall project system. So I can conclude that the project is developed successfully with the sorting part and also waste level detection or the alert message part. So now I would like to conclude my project. So an automated recycle dustbin system, which is ARDS and alert system, has been developed successfully and named as automated recycle dustbin system with GSM module for waste management. So in conclusion, the project achieved the objective stated before, which is develop a prototype of the project and able to reduce the work of the cleaner to maintain the good condition of the collecting dustbin. So it is very useful and help in the waste management for human and also the society. So I having 3 main reference here for the project, and now this will be the project poster of my project again, and this is my picture and also my project system inside my room. So I think that's all from me. Thank you for watching.